A rare baby southern white rhino has been born at Melbourne's Werribee Zoo. The male calf was born last weekend after a 16-month pregnancy. Staff say the baby and its mother have been forming a remarkable bond. The calf is the first to be raised naturally by a mother in Victoria in about 20 years. The southern white rhino was at one time close to extinction, but there are now about 10,000 in the wild, thanks to conservation and breeding programs. Let's look at the weather now with Jacqui McLaren, and what a warm week ahead.
Yes, we certainly are in for unusually warm weather for this time of the year. It's hard to believe we're still in winter. Good evening, Queensland. More on those temperatures a little bit later, but as for today, well, a sunny Saturday for most, but we did see some light isolated showers around the North Tropical Coast, and it sure was warm. Above average temperatures right across the state. In the north, Palmerville hit 38 degrees. Meanwhile, further south, Birdsville hit its peak at 38. Brisbane hit a top of 26, and right now, as the Lions are just moments away from kick-off, it's 19 degrees. To photos now, and Pax rose with the sun in Wynnum, and a warm 33 degrees did not stop Ian from getting out and enjoying the day at Charleville. On to the satellite, and mostly cloud-free for us, but there is a low and a series of troughs bringing plenty of cloud to southern states at the moment. So an unsettled Sunday for southern capitals, quite different for northern parts though. 35 for Darwin. On to the chart, and it's here where we can really see the story behind these warm temperatures. This high is keeping things mostly settled, but it's this trough in the west which is key for us as it grabs all the heat out there and continues to drag it east, bringing a warm end to our winter season. To forecasts now, and in the north, showers possible along the coast, and we do have a strong wind warning for the Torres Strait and peninsular waters. Sunny skies continuing inland after a foggy start, and a windy and warm 38 degrees for you, Birdsville. The foggy morning continuing in the southeast with a perfect beach day on the way. 27 degrees for the Sunshine Coast. Brisbane heading for a warm winter's day at 29. 31 degrees for you, Ipswich. Redcliffe 26. Surfers, small clean conditions in the morning, but if you can hold out until Tuesday, we've got some peaky fun-sized surf on the way. Boaties, those winds will pick up to 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas around 1 metre. Sunrise will be at 21 past 6 in the morning. And looking at our final week of weather, it's going to be warm. The capital reaching 32, Ipswich peaking at 34. But Ellen, good news for those heading to Riverfire on Saturday. Sunny, fine, and a top of 34.
And that's winter, and that is the news and weather to this moment. Thank you so much for your company. Stay up to date on the website, but for now, good night.